YouTube, what's happening? What it is, what it do, man? This your boy Sneakerhead Money man. Back at you. Back like I never left. You see that skew, all that good stuff. Without further ado, let's get it, man.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Gotta hop down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple mil, poker face on, just to show the hater I'm for real. You can't stop my.
So the thing we looking at today, fresh up out that bizarre, is none other than Jordan Retro 12 Black Game Royal Blue Flu Game thing. You did. But jumping straight into these guys. Let me get a good thumbnail action real quick. But getting a good look at these guys, jumping straight into it, we have a all leather drip upper on these guys. A little Tumbleina on that guy. See if that picks up for you. The rest of the upper is dripped in that game. Deep Game Royal Blue. Which is dope throughout these guys, in my opinion. Jump straight into that Tizon. You got Jumpman logo going down that thing in that 2-3 as well on this guy. Hitting you with that outsole black anthracite and Game Royal as well on that outsole. So down below, leave your thought, comment, opinions on these things. Back tab, all that good stuff. 2-3 in the back on that back end. See a few glue stains on these guys. I'm giving y'all the real. Everything real on these guys. So, one thing I want to talk about real quick is the material on this right here. I'm trying to pick it up. I don't know what's the best. I'm guessing it's kind of like how them Jordan Clay Jordan was, like the Blue Moon and all them. That material that was on that side, cause it's not like the red ones, man. You can even see the perforated, like the little, I call them little oval circles. They're not even as noticeable as the other ones are, the black and red ones, in my opinion. Now you get back here, you see them a little more. But when you step back, like these right here, they kind of fade into it. The material is different, it's soft right here. The leather to me, it's about the same as the Flu Game, the leather on them. Then show you guys the inside. So the inside is all black. Jumpman is in that Deep Game Royal Blue as well. Quality control, all that other stuff that I really can't show you right now. But jump back in the shoe, man. Like I said, shoe eyelets are in black as well. Pretty much Flu Game just turned blue. Everything red is blue on these guys, so you already know what's happening with them. My thoughts, comments, and opinions are these are dope. Not the biggest 12 guy. I do like specific 12s. This is definitely one that fits what I be looking for in a 12. Dope, man. It's gonna hold up. Not gonna really have too much dirt on it. Nice fall shoe, winter shoe, all that good stuff. That's just my opinion. But down below, leave y'all thoughts, comments, opinions. Are you guys going after them, sleeping on them? Think they gonna hit the outlet? Think you gonna be able to use that? And then counts. Let your boy know something, man. But real quick before I go, I feel like the shoe is pretty much the exact, like I said, is a Flu Game. Nothing really different. Still tumble, soft tumble on that tongue, that Tizon. You did. Other than that, it's the same, pretty much same standard tumble cow ass leather on these guys. Only difference is this paneling. The material is different from the red ones. That's about it on these guys. Outsole, same standard Jordan outsole. nothing else really different, man. I think I gave y'all a pretty good look of the upcoming Retro 12 Deep Game Royal guys. If you still ain't subscribed to the channel, man, do so for your boy, man. I appreciate it. I mean, I would appreciate it if y'all do. Also, if you never dropped a like, man, if you like content like this, man, feel free to drop a like. That motivate me to keep going doing stuff like this. Other than that, it's your boy, Sneakerhead Money Mix. As always, like I tell you, man, make sure at the end of the day, you like what you rock what you like. Cha-ching, gang, man. We out.
She say money ain't gon' make it. That nigga ain't got no record deal, but I'm living straight. Got a hot down street from Holyfield, grind and get the cake. Tryna cash out on a couple meal, poker face on, just to show the haters I'm for real. You can't stop my grind, cause a nigga like me, I'ma shine. I'ma always be by my you haters, y'all just wasting time. I swear to God, man, all my people know all my